Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. There's something I have learned over the years. We do not meet people by accident. Every person that enters our life comes for a season or a reason. Some teach you love, some teach you patience, some come to give you strength, and some teach us to become something which we never thought of. Whether the experiences were painful or joyful, every person became my guru. So on this Guru Purnima, I choose gratitude to not only my parents, my friends, my spiritual gurus or my teachers, but to every person that helped me shape my journey. To all my gurus, thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.